Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I'm here at Helen Hayes Hospital, and that was called to do a swarm removal. And you're going to witness here thousands of bees that are they're on the wall, and they swarmed out of a nest. They have a hive, I guess locally, that they swarmed out of. And while I was here, I just got here a couple minutes ago, I did see the queen, and I did capture her. She's in there. I'm gonna check if there's another queen, but that's a really nice queen, so she's definitely inside here. We're gonna get some bees to start fanning pretty soon. Right now they're back there, but from what I see, we got the queen here. Many times there's two queens, so we'll see if we can find another one. But as long as we got the queen, we should be able to hive these bees pretty shortly. And we'll watch them come down once we get them inside the box. So right now we'll start the process.